All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So the images and videos you're seeing right here were actually created using an AI tool. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how everything works step by step. I'll be breaking down the full process you can use to create videos like this for yourself without making things complicated. I've already prepared a huge set of prompts for this video, and we're going to be testing out this brand new AI tool that was released recently. And trust me guys, this tool is seriously impressive. It doesn't just create random or low quality animations. The results actually look clean, cinematic, detailed, and surprisingly realistic. It adds emotion, better movement, sharper visuals, and way more life into your animations, making everything feel much more professional overall. So if you've been looking for a way to make your AI videos stand out and look more realistic, then you're definitely gonna enjoy this one. Make sure you guys like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel because we're gonna be testing a lot more insane AI tools and workflows on this channel. So with that being said, grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and let's jump straight into today's video. Now, the cinematic video you watched at the beginning of this video was completely made using AI. Today, we're gonna be comparing two powerful AI tools side by side. We have Digen AI, and we also have Video Inu AI. Now, both of these AI tools are capable of creating cinematic videos, emotional scenes, realistic characters, movie-style visuals, and even short film level content. But the real question is, which one is actually better? Which one gives more realistic results? Which one understands prompts better? Which one creates more cinematic scenes? And most importantly, which one is actually worth your time as a content creator? Well guys, that's exactly what we're gonna find out in today's video. And trust me, the results were honestly very interesting because both AI tools perform differently depending on the type of prompts we used. Now, before we get into everything, if you want the exact prompts I used to create the cinematic intro video you saw at the beginning, just comment prompts down below. And I'll send them over to you guys because the prompts are honestly insane. These prompts are the same ones I use to create cinematic AI videos, emotional storytelling scenes, realistic environments, dramatic camera shots, and movie-level visuals. So if you're serious about AI video creation, you definitely want those prompts. All right, guys, without wasting much time, let's jump straight into the video. So first, we're gonna start with Video Inu AI. Now, immediately you enter the website. One thing you'll notice is that the interface is actually very clean and beginner-friendly. Everything is easy to understand and navigate around. So we're gonna head over to the cinematic generation section because that's where we're gonna create our videos from today. Now for this first test, I'm not going easy at all. I really wanna stress test both AI tools properly. So instead of using a simple prompt immediately, we're gonna start with a very detailed cinematic prompt. And the reason I'm doing this is because detailed prompts are usually the best way to test how intelligent an AI video generator really is. So let's paste our cinematic prompt into Video Inu AI first. Now, as you can see, this prompt is actually very detailed. We included cinematic lighting, emotional atmosphere, realistic environment descriptions, camera movement, character details, and overall storytelling direction. This is the exact type of prompt movie creators and cinematic AI creators use to get realistic outputs. Now, once we paste the prompt here, we're gonna head over to Digen AI and use the exact same prompt there too, because we want this comparison to be completely fair. No cheating. Same prompt, same cinematic idea, same instructions. And now we'll click Generate on both AI tools and allow them some time to cook. Now, while the videos are generating, let's actually talk about something important. One thing I've noticed recently is that AI video generation has improved massively compared to before. Like seriously, guys. Because right now, with the right prompts and the right AI tools, you can literally create movie-like scenes without needing expensive cameras, actors, lighting equipment, or huge editing teams. And that's honestly crazy. Now, obviously AI still has limitations, but the speed at which these tools are improving is actually insane. All right, guys, our Video Inu AI result is finally done generating, so let's check it out together. Okay, first impressions, the visuals actually look pretty good. You can immediately notice the cinematic atmosphere, the lighting details, and the emotional vibe the AI tried to create. The environment looks detailed, the camera movement is smooth, and overall, the scene definitely gives cinematic energy. Now, one thing I'll definitely give Video Inu AI credit for is speed. This thing generated surprisingly fast. And for creators who want quick results without waiting too long, that's actually a huge advantage, especially if you're creating multiple videos daily for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or cinematic edits. Now let's talk about the realism. Personally, I feel like the results look really impressive at first glance. But if you pay close attention to some of the facial details and movements, you can still slightly tell it was generated with AI, especially around the expressions and body movement. Now, don't get me wrong, it still looks very good. And with some editing, you can actually turn this into something really professional. But now, let's move over to Digen AI. Guys, immediately this started playing, I could already notice a major difference. The realism instantly looked stronger. The lighting felt more cinematic. The emotions on the character's face looked more believable. Even the environmental depth looked cleaner and more polished. And honestly, this is where Digen AI started impressing me, because it genuinely felt like the AI understood the vision behind the prompt, instead of just randomly generating scenes. The camera movement also felt more natural and film-like. And one thing I really loved was the emotional atmosphere. Now, another thing I noticed is that Digen AI takes a little longer to generate compared to Video Inu AI. So if speed is your priority, Video Inu AI definitely has an advantage there. But if your main goal is getting higher quality cinematic visuals and realism, then Digen AI honestly performs really well. Now guys, we're not done yet, because I wanted to test something else very important. We already tested both AI tools using a long advanced cinematic prompt, but now I want to see how both AI tools perform using a very simple prompt. Because let's be honest, not everybody wants to spend time writing long cinematic prompts every single day. Sometimes people just want to type something simple, like create a cinematic video of a beautiful woman standing under neon lights in Tokyo rain. Simple, short, easy. So let's test exactly that. We'll head back to Video Inu AI, clear everything, and type in our simple prompt. Then we'll go over to Digen AI and use the exact same prompt there too. Now this test is actually very important, because some AI tools only perform well when you give them extremely detailed prompts. But truly powerful AI tools should still be able to create amazing results even from simple prompts. All right guys, Video Inu AI finished generating first again. And honestly, the results are actually decent. The emotions are there. The cinematic lighting looks nice. The atmosphere still gives movie vibes. And the character design looks attractive too. But again, you can still slightly notice the AI look in some areas, especially in the facial rendering and movement consistency. Now let's move over to Digen AI. Guys, this one was honestly crazy. The realism looked way better again. The facial details looked cleaner. The movement felt more natural. The lighting looked more professional. And the cinematic atmosphere felt stronger overall. And remember guys, this was generated from a very simple prompt. That's honestly impressive, because it shows that Digen AI doesn't just rely on long advanced prompts to create good visuals. It can still understand simple instructions and generate high quality cinematic scenes. Now, another thing I personally noticed is that Digen AI seems better at emotional storytelling. Like the scenes feel more intentional. The characters feel more connected to the environment. And the overall video feels more like an actual movie scene instead of random AI visuals. Now let's quickly talk about another important thing, prompt writing. Because honestly guys, prompts are everything when it comes to AI video generation. All these things matter a lot. And trust me, once you start mastering cinematic prompt writing, your AI videos will instantly become 10 times better. That's why in future videos, I'm going to start teaching you guys advanced cinematic prompting properly, step by step. Because there are honestly so many hidden tricks most people don't know yet. Anyway guys, after testing both AI tools side by side multiple times, here's my final opinion. If you want faster generations, easier workflow, and longer outputs quickly, then Video Inu AI is actually a solid option. But if your main focus is realism, cinematic visuals, emotional storytelling, professional quality, and stronger prompt understanding, then Digen AI definitely wins this comparison, for me personally. The cinematic quality just feels more polished overall. And honestly guys, the future of AI filmmaking is looking absolutely insane right now. We're entering a time where creators can literally generate movie scenes from imagination using only prompts. That's actually crazy when you think about it. Anyway guys, that's basically it for today's video. If you enjoyed this comparison and you want more videos where I test powerful AI tools, compare AI generators, teach cinematic prompting, and show you how to create insane AI movies and visuals, then make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss future uploads. And again, if you want the exact prompts I used in this video, just comment prompts below and I'll send them over. Also, in my next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a full cinematic AI movie completely from scratch, using AI storytelling, cinematic prompts, AI voiceovers, scene generation, and advanced editing techniques. Trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Thank you guys so much for watching.